back. Happy weekend. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So I am super excited because we have a new subscription. As you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the Tayst coffee subscription. They actually make their own coffee, and you guys, this is fantastic. First, I do want to say thank you so much to Tayst Coffee Roasters, Tayst Coffee, for sending this to me to review. I do greatly appreciate it. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. You can find them on Crate Joy. But this is a brand new subscription, you guys, and it's a coffee subscription. That's enough. That's all I need. Coffee and subscription. Coffee to my door. Yes, please. Thank you. And you're welcome. So let me tell you a little bit about it, and then we will get to unboxing. I'm super excited. That's a really big box for a coffee subscription. So I'm like, what? Okay. So Tayst Coffee. This is where it gets unique and really awesome. They are 100% compostable Keurig pods. What? They're awesome for the environment. Yes. So Tayst is an earth-first coffee company. We are focused on transitioning homes and offices from plastic Keurig cups into 100% compostable pods for Keurig. Our coffees are sustainably, if I could speak, grown as a part of the Rainforest Alliance. Our beans are roasted deep, then cooled slowly and packed into our Keurig Compatible pods. It's coffee you'll love to drink. A premium single-serve coffee for exquisite taste, 100% compostable and biodegradable Keurig Compatible coffee pods that contain no plastic. Rainforest Alliance certified. Farms and companies are having demonstrable, I can't read it or talk today, I apologize, impacts on the ground, conserving natural resources and improving the lives and livelihood of farm communities. Quote, Tinsy Whelan, president of the Rainforest Alliance. We roast weekly and ship on weekdays, so you always have the freshest coffee in pods for your Keurig. This means your first box will ship on the same business day you purchased. For subscribed customers, we will ship your coffee the same day you purchased every month. Ships worldwide. Subscriptions renew automatically. You can cancel at any time. It says superior beans roasted fresh and packed into our 100% compostable pods for a convenient, consistent cup of brew. No guilt, all glory. It says life's too short for crappy coffee. And that is the truth. I was like, coffee, subscription, good for the planet. Yes, sign me up. So here are their different plans. So you can get 30 pods a month starting at $23.59, 50 pods a month starting at $37.99, 100 pods a month starting at $69.99, or 240 pods a month starting at $156 a month. So this is definitely something you could use for home or business. So if you have a small business, you could order this, like the 240, and you've got coffee to supply for your employees. Or again, if you're just using it at home, the 30 you can get for starting at $23.59 a month. You guys, that's an awesome deal for K-Cups, basically. And the fact that they are biodegradable, you know, is just phenomenal. So it is coffee, it is good for the planet and the environment, which I am all about, and it's fresh coffee. So it's something they're making and sending to you. It's not something that is set on a shelf for, you know, who knows how long. You're getting fresh coffee that's good for the environment and delivered to your door. What's there to think about? So let's dive in here and see exactly what we got. I'm so excited. Cover this up so you don't see my address. Serious Coffee inside. And then here it says on the back, this says, hey there, inside are some cups of coffee, but not just any cups of coffee. This coffee is awesome. This coffee will make you love drinking it. And the O in love is a heart. It's special in so many ways. Its flavors are remarkable. It's made from beans picked with hands that care. Why do they care? Well, because each cup you drink helps their families, community, and supports the what's right in the world. What's better is the pods are 100% compostable, no plastic. Yay! So they fertilize the planet. We call it from the earth and back again. So drink up, drink it down, and enjoy the fruits of the earth. Good karma awaits. Let's go. This is awesome. This is like, it pumps you up like coffee before you even drink it. That's amazing. This says, according to the legend, Ethiopian shepherds first realized the profound caffeinating effects of coffee when they noticed their goats started dancing after eating coffee berries. All right, let's get this bad boy open. Again, thank you so much to Tayst Coffee for sending this. I do greatly appreciate it, and I'm so excited, if you could not tell. All right. So we got this open. This is what we see. I see burlap, so that's already like touching my soul. So enjoy Tayst Coffee. Hope you all love what we're doing at Tayst Coffee. Doing good feels great. So there's that. Tayst Coffee is just different. Sustainably sourced premium beans, fresh roasted coffee in pods for Keurig, 100% compostable pods, so no plastics. Again, you guys, that is just fantastic. So, oh, look. Okay, so like I said, it's in burlap. Look how cute. And then it's like a little note or something, like paper, like a little clip. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is just from Craig and Greg. They are, I believe, the owners of Tayst Coffee, just saying thank you to me. Thank you, Greg and Craig, for sending this to me. I do, again, greatly appreciate it, and I cannot wait to dive in here and see just what your subscription is about. It just sounds so amazing. So, again, this is what you see. So burlap, y'all, I'm in the South. You know that's like, yes. All right. All right, so we peel that back. And this says, a wise prophet once said, pour yourself a cup of ambition. And even all of these things, these are all printed on recycled and recyclable paper. All right. So let's just start right here. What is this? Oh, yes. It's like they knew me. What? So this is 10 single-serve coffee pods, vintage vanilla cream. What? Yes. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. So that right there is all, vanilla is like my jam. So, and then we have, this is a medium and heroic. So this isn't a flavored coffee. It's just like you can see here they have 5 coffee beans. This is at level 4. So it's going to be a stronger, bolder coffee. Like I said, medium and heroic. And the vanilla was 3 coffee beans. And this says bold and brazen. And this, again, is not a flavored coffee. It's just regular coffee. But again, bold and brazen. And it says level 5 with the beans right there. So that's going to be a good, strong, get you going coffee. And then there is something here. What is, let's see. About your sample box. Put these samples by your coffee station. We've included a table tent to let the team know what Tayst is all about. Get started with a coffee starter package that fits your office, or let's customize a package that suits your needs. Let's chat. Okay. What is this? They packaged it very, very well. Y'all, it's a coffee cup. It says Tayst Coffee Roasters. And on the back, it says save the planet. It's the only planet with coffee. That's funny, but it is true. We need to, oh my gosh. It's like oh, I love this. So I've got 30 coffee pods. I've got level 3, level 4, level 5. One of them, the level 3, is flavored in vanilla, which is perfect. You guys, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. A coffee subscription that is great for the environment, gives back, super fresh, delivered to your door, and you get a variety. Do I need to say anything else? Let me know what you guys think down below. I think this is absolutely amazing. I think they knocked it out the park. Even just with like the burlap, the presentation is amazing. The concept and the mission behind this is amazing. The fact that it is coffee is amazing. I will be having a cup of that vanilla, the vintage vanilla cream in the morning. So check out my Instagram tomorrow morning for a post about that. I will definitely be using my new Tayst coffee cup. And even though I know it's important to save the earth, the quote on the back I think is super cute. It is a little funny. Save the earth. It's the only planet with coffee. But again, they are giving back and doing that. So I think this is fantastic. I'm just like, yay. All right, let me know what you guys think down below. Again, I will put a link to their site. So go get some coffee, help save the planet. I have no doubt this coffee is going to be amazing. Like I said, I'll post on my Instagram tomorrow morning when I have a cup. So look for that. Again, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I will talk with you on the next video. Bye.